Go ahead and stop it once that basket is full. The next thing that I do is settle the coffee, which is this motion here. And I settle it usually a couple times. One thing is every single time that you settle it, you're going to be able to fit another gram of coffee in the basket. And so that's why you do that. Now that I've settled it, I can fit a little more coffee in there, and I'll dose a little bit more in there. Now that it's filled up, take off the top here. I'm going to level off the coffee in the basket, and I'm just going to go ahead and level it off and put it right back into the dosing chamber, and then we can dump it later. What I'm going to be doing is not only leveling it off so that you have a nice, even, flat surface on the top of the basket, but also kind of push around the coffee in the basket so that the coffee is completely evenly distributed throughout the whole basket. Kind of wipe it off here. The reason that you do that is so that you get the coffee evenly distributed. If you have the coffee in one area of the puck that is less evenly distributed, you have less coffee than another area in the puck, and that's going to be the path of least resistance that the water is going to travel through when you're brewing an espresso, and which is an extraction flaw, which is going to end up in the end product of the cup of espresso.